swimmers. Sailfish are known for their incredible speed in the water. They are considered one of the fastest fish in the ocean, capable of reaching speeds of up to 68 miles per hour, 110 kilometers per hour. Distinctive sail. Sailfish get their name from their unique dorsal fin, which is elongated and resembles a sail when raised. This dorsal fin is used for various purposes, including swimming, communication, and attracting mates. Acrobatic displays. Sailfish are known for their impressive acrobatic displays when caught on fishing lines. They often leap out of the water and perform aerial maneuvers, such as tail walking and cartwheeling, in an attempt to shake off the hook. Range and habitat. Sailfish are found in warm and temperate oceans around the world, predominantly in tropical and subtropical waters. They prefer to inhabit the epipelagic zone, which is the upper layer of the ocean. Migratory behavior. Sailfish are known to undertake long-distance migrations, often following warmer water currents and their prey. These migrations can cover thousands of miles. Bill and prey. Capture. Sailfish have a long, slender bill that is used for hunting. They use their bill to slash through schools of small fish, stunning or injuring them before consuming them. Predatory behavior. Sailfish are apex predators and primarily feed on small schooling fish such as sardines, anchovies, and mackerel. They use their incredible speed and agility to hunt and capture prey. Coloration. Sailfish have a striking coloration with a metallic blue-black upper body and a silver-white underbelly. When excited, their colors may intensify and their sail may be raised. Reproduction. Sailfish are oviparous, meaning they reproduce by laying eggs. Females release thousands of eggs into the open water, where they are fertilized by males. Conservation status. Sailfish populations are considered to be of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, they are sometimes caught as bycatch in commercial fishing operations, and their populations can be affected by overfishing. Sport fishing. Sailfish are highly prized by recreational anglers due to their size, speed, and acrobatic behavior when caught. Many anglers practice catch and release to conserve sailfish populations. Social behavior. Sailfish are usually found in loose groups, often following baitfish schools. They are known to exhibit cooperative hunting behavior, where multiple individuals work together to corral and capture prey. Size. Sailfish are relatively large fish, with adult individuals typically ranging from 6 to 11 feet, 1.8 to 3.4 meters, in length and weighing between 120 to 220 pounds, 54 to 100 kilograms. Longevity. In the wild, sailfish have an estimated lifespan of about 4 to 5 years, although some individuals may live longer under favorable conditions. Cultural significance. Sailfish are revered in sport fishing communities around the world. They are often featured in tournaments and are considered a prized catch for anglers seeking a thrilling fishing experience. Sailfish are remarkable creatures with their incredible speed, striking appearance, and acrobatic behavior. Their presence adds to the diversity and beauty of the oceans they inhabit. Majestic swimmers. Black marlins are large and powerful fish known for their incredible speed and strength. They are considered one of the fastest swimmers among the marlin species. Coloration. Black marlins have a distinctive coloration with a dark blue to blackish body on the upper side and a silver-white underbelly. As they grow older, their color may darken. Bill and size. Black marlins have a long, pointed bill that is more rigid and thicker than that of other marlin species. They are among the largest billfish, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 15 feet, 4.5 meters, and weighing more than 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Habitat. Black marlins are found in warm and tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. They prefer offshore areas, often inhabiting deep waters near drop-offs and seamounts. Feeding habits. These apex predators primarily feed on a variety of fish and cephalopods, including squid and smaller pelagic fish. They are known for their aggressive hunting behavior and often use their bill to slash through schools of prey. Predatory behavior. Black marlins are skilled predators that use their speed and agility to chase down and capture prey. They are capable of reaching bursts of speed when hunting. Reproductive strategy. Black marlins are oviparous, which means they reproduce by laying eggs. Females release their eggs into the open water, where they are fertilized by males. The eggs then hatch into larval fish. Marlin tournaments. Black marlins are highly sought after by sport fishermen and are often targeted in big game fishing tournaments. Their size and strength make them a prized catch among anglers. Conservation status. Black marlin populations are considered to be of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, like other marlin species, they can be impacted by commercial fishing practices and bycatch. Migrations. Black marlins are known for their seasonal migrations, moving to different areas in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. Lifespan. In the wild, black marlins have an estimated lifespan of around 10 to 15 years. Tagging studies. Researchers and conservationists often use electronic tagging to study the movements and behaviors of black marlins. This helps gather valuable information for their management and conservation. Cultural significance. Black marlins have cultural and economic significance in many coastal communities, where they contribute to recreational and commercial fishing industries. Thrilling catches. Catching a black marlin is considered a feat among sport fishermen due to the fish's size, strength, and fighting ability. The battle between an angler and a black marlin can be intense and memorable. Ecosystem role. Black marlins play a role in maintaining the balance of ocean ecosystems as apex predators. Their hunting behavior helps regulate prey populations and contributes to the overall health of marine food webs. Black marlins are magnificent creatures that inhabit the open ocean, showcasing impressive speed and power. Their presence adds to the diversity and vitality of marine ecosystems, making them a captivating species to learn about and appreciate. Highly intelligent, dolphins are renowned for their high level of intelligence. They have complex social behaviors, sophisticated communication skills, and the ability to problem solve. Marine mammals. Dolphins are marine mammals belonging to the cetacean group, which also includes whales and porpoises. They are known for their playful behavior and acrobatic displays. Wide distribution. Dolphins inhabit oceans and seas around the world, from tropical to polar regions. They can be found in both shallow coastal waters and deep offshore environments. Diverse species. There are numerous species of dolphins, each with its own unique characteristics. Some well-known species include the bottlenose dolphin, common dolphin, spinner dolphin, orca, killer whale, and dusky dolphin. Social creatures. Dolphins are highly social animals and often travel in groups called pods. These pods can vary in size from just a few individuals to several hundred, depending on the species and habitat. Communication. Dolphins communicate using a variety of vocalizations, clicks, whistles, and body movements. They have signature whistles that help them recognize and identify individual dolphins within their pod. Echolocation. Dolphins use echolocation to locate prey, navigate, and communicate. They emit high-frequency sound waves that bounce off objects and return as echoes, providing them with detailed information about their surroundings. Diet. Dolphins are carnivorous predators that primarily feed on fish and squid. Their hunting strategies can include cooperative efforts to corral and capture schools of fish. Respiration. Dolphins are mammals, so they breathe air through blowholes located on the tops of their heads. They are conscious breathers, meaning they must come to the surface to breathe periodically. Playful behavior. Dolphins are known for their playful nature. They often engage in activities such as surfing waves, leaping out of the water, riding the bow waves of boats, and interacting with objects like seaweed or other marine creatures. Parental care. Female dolphins usually give birth to a single calf, which they nurse with milk produced from mammary glands. Calves stay close to their mothers for several years, learning essential survival skills. Conservation status. While some dolphin species are not currently at risk, others are facing threats such as habitat loss, pollution, bycatch in fishing gear, and climate change. Conservation efforts are essential to protect their populations. Longevity. Dolphins' lifespans vary by species and environmental factors. Some species can live for several decades, with the bottlenose dolphin being known to live over 40 years in the wild. Cultural significance. Dolphins have held cultural significance for many civilizations throughout history. They are often associated with themes of intelligence, communication, and friendship. Dolphin-assisted therapy. Dolphins have been used in therapeutic programs for individuals with disabilities or special needs. The interaction with dolphins is believed to have therapeutic benefits and can provide sensory stimulation. Dolphins are captivating creatures with a diverse range of behaviors and adaptations. Their presence in the marine environment contributes to the ecological balance and offers insights into the complexity of marine life. Speedy swimmers. Wahoo are known for their remarkable speed and agility in the water. They are fast swimmers, capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, 97 kilometers per hour, making them one of the fastest fish in the ocean. Range and habitat. Wahoo are found in tropical and subtropical waters of the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. They prefer warm waters and are often associated with offshore habitats, including near reefs, banks, and drop-offs. Distinctive appearance. Wahoo have an elongated body shape with a metallic blue to greenish color on the upper side and silver-white on the belly. They have vertical striping on their sides that may fade or darken depending on their mood. Predatory behavior. Wahoo are fierce predators that feed on a variety of prey, including smaller fish, squid, and crustaceans. They use their speed to chase down and capture their prey, often making swift and sudden attacks. Feeding techniques. Wahoo are known for their hunting behavior called slicing. They use their sharp teeth and high-speed bursts to slash through schools of smaller fish, stunning or injuring them and making them easier to consume. Migration. Wahoo are known to undertake long-distance migrations, often following warm water currents and searching for food sources. They may travel significant distances in search of optimal feeding grounds. Sport fishing. Wahoo are highly prized by sport fishermen due to their size, speed, and challenging fight when caught on fishing lines. They are sought after in fishing tournaments and can provide a thrilling angling experience. Conservation status. Wahoo populations are generally considered stable and are currently of least concern according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, they can be vulnerable to overfishing in some regions. Commercial value. Wahoo is commercially important in many areas for its flesh, which is considered high-quality seafood. It is often used for consumption in various culinary dishes. Size. Wahoo can vary in size, with adults typically ranging from 3 to 5 feet, 1 to 1.5 meters, in length and weighing between 30 to 100 pounds, 14 to 45 kilograms. Reproduction. Wahoo are believed to spawn throughout the year in warmer waters. Female wahoo release eggs into the open water, where they are fertilized by the males. Economic impact. Wahoo fishing contributes to the livelihoods of many coastal communities, supporting both local and recreational fishing industries. Tagging studies. Researchers use electronic tagging to track the movements and behaviors of wahoo, helping to gather valuable data for their management and conservation. Predator-prey relationships. Wahoo are preyed upon by larger predators, including sharks, billfish, and other large pelagic fish. Their speed and evasive maneuvers help them avoid becoming prey. Ecosystem role. Wahoo play a role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems by controlling prey populations and contributing to the overall health of ocean food webs. Wahoo's combination of speed, striking appearance, and predatory behavior make them an intriguing species in the marine world. Their role as both predators and prey contributes to the complex dynamics of ocean ecosystems. Wide distribution. Yellowfin tuna are widely distributed in warm and tropical oceans around the world. They can be found in the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans, making them a highly migratory species. Size and appearance. Yellowfin tuna have a streamlined body shape with a metallic blue-black color on their upper body and a silver-white color on their belly. They have a distinctive yellow fin that extends along their back and a second dorsal fin. Speed and agility. Yellowfin tuna are known for their impressive swimming abilities. They are swift swimmers and are capable of reaching speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. Feeding behavior. These tunas are opportunistic predators that feed on a wide range of prey, including small fish, squid, and crustaceans. They often hunt near the surface of the water, where they target schools of baitfish. Predatory tactics. Yellowfin tuna are skilled hunters and often work together to corral and trap their prey. They are also known to follow dolphins and other marine creatures to take advantage of opportunities created by their movements. Commercial importance. Yellowfin tuna is one of the most commercially valuable fish species in the world. It is highly sought after for its firm, flavorful flesh and is used for sushi, sashimi, and various other culinary dishes. Conservation concerns. While yellowfin tuna populations are still relatively abundant, they are facing some conservation challenges due to overfishing and bycatch in industrial fishing operations. Sustainable fishing practices are essential to ensure their continued presence. Spawning and reproduction. Yellowfin tuna are known to spawn in warm oceanic waters, often forming large schools for reproduction. Female yellowfin tuna release a large number of eggs, which are fertilized externally by the males. Long-distance migrations. These tunas undertake extensive migrations, often traveling thousands of miles in search of food and suitable spawning grounds. Their movements contribute to the mixing of oceanic ecosystems. Dolphin associations. Yellowfin tuna are sometimes found swimming alongside dolphins, which is believed to be a mutualistic relationship. The dolphins help locate schools of tuna, while the tuna benefit from the dolphin's ability to drive prey to the surface. Tagging studies. Researchers use electronic tagging to study the migratory patterns and behaviors of yellowfin tuna. This information is valuable for conservation and fisheries management. Recreational fishing. Yellowfin tuna are a popular target for sport fishermen due to their size, strength, and challenging fight when hooked. Anglers often target them using trolling techniques or by casting lures. Schooling behavior. Yellowfin tuna often travel in schools, which can vary in size from a few individuals to larger groups. This schooling behavior provides protection from predators and enhances their hunting efficiency. Lifespan. The lifespan of yellowfin tuna varies, but they typically live for around 7 to 10 years in the wild. Economic impact. The yellowfin tuna fishing industry has significant economic implications for many coastal communities and countries. It supports jobs, trade, and local economies. Yellowfin tuna are remarkable oceanic travelers that play a crucial role in marine ecosystems and human economies. As a top predator, they contribute to the balance of marine food webs and showcase the intricate interconnectedness of ocean life. Widespread distribution. Blue sharks are found in oceans around the world, inhabiting both offshore and open ocean environments. They prefer temperate and tropical waters and are known to migrate long distances. Distinctive appearance. Blue sharks are characterized by their slender body shape, pointed snout, and striking blue coloration on their back. They have a counter-shaded color pattern, with the dorsal side being darker blue and the ventral side being lighter. Size. Blue sharks can vary in size, with adult females typically being larger than males. They can reach lengths of up to 12 feet, 3.7 meters, and weigh around 400 pounds, 180 kilograms. Swimming abilities. Blue sharks are strong and agile swimmers, capable of covering large distances in search of food. They use their powerful tails to navigate through the water with ease. Diet. Blue sharks are opportunistic predators that feed on a variety of prey, including small fish, squid, crustaceans, and other marine organisms. They are known for their scavenging behavior and can feed on carrion. Hunting strategy. Blue sharks often employ a corkscrew hunting technique, where they twist their bodies while swimming to create a vortex that helps funnel prey towards their open mouths. Reproduction. Blue sharks are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. After a gestation period of around 9 to 12 months, females give birth to a litter of pups, which can range in number from 4 to over 100, depending on the individual. Conservation concerns. Blue sharks are currently listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. They face threats from overfishing, bycatch, and habitat degradation. Bycatch. Blue sharks are often unintentionally caught in commercial fishing gear meant for other species. Efforts to reduce bycatch are important for their conservation. Long-distance migrations. Blue sharks are known for their impressive migrations, traveling across vast oceanic expanses in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. Tagging and tracking. Researchers use satellite tagging to track the movements of blue sharks. This data helps scientists understand their behavior, migration patterns, and habitat preferences. Economic importance. Blue sharks are commercially valuable and are caught for their meat, fins, and other body parts. They are also used in the shark fin trade, which has raised conservation concerns. Social behavior. Blue sharks are known to form loose aggregations, especially around sources of food. They can be found in groups when feeding on prey. Lifespan. Blue sharks have a relatively short lifespan, typically living for around 15 to 20 years. Importance in ecosystems. Blue sharks play a role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems as both predators and scavengers. They help regulate the populations of their prey species and contribute to the overall health of ocean food webs. Blue sharks' unique adaptations and behaviors make them an important and intriguing species in the marine world. Efforts to understand and protect their populations are crucial for the health of ocean ecosystems. Speed demons, Mako sharks, Isurus spp, are renowned for their incredible speed and agility in the water. They are among the fastest sharks and are known to reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. Two species. There are two primary species of Mako sharks, the short-fin Mako, Isurus oxyrhynchus, and the long-fin Mako, Isurus paucus. The short-fin Mako is the more commonly encountered species. Distinctive appearance. Mako sharks have a sleek and streamlined body with a conical snout and a crescent-shaped tail. They are typically metallic blue on their upper body and white on their belly, a coloration known as countershading. Diet. Makos are powerful predators that feed on a variety of prey, including smaller fish, squid, and even other sharks. They are known for their ability to chase down fast-moving prey. Jumping abilities. Makos are known for their acrobatic leaps out of the water, often performing spectacular jumps known as breaches. These jumps are thought to be a hunting strategy or a means of communication. Warm-blooded adaptation. Makos are endothermic, warm-blooded sharks, which allows them to maintain their body temperature higher than the surrounding water. This adaptation contributes to their agility and speed. Migrations. Mako sharks undertake extensive migrations, often traveling across oceanic expanses in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. They are known to cover thousands of miles during their journeys. Conservation status. Mako sharks, particularly the short-fin Mako, are facing conservation concerns due to overfishing and bycatch. They are currently listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Reproductive habits. Makos are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. After a gestation period of about 15 to 18 months, females give birth to a litter of pups, typically ranging from 4 to 18 individuals. Lifespan. Mako sharks have relatively short lifespans, typically living up to around 20 to 30 years. Economic value. Mako sharks are commercially valuable for their meat, fins, and other body parts. They are often targeted by commercial and recreational fishermen. Sport fishing. Mako sharks are highly sought after by sport fishermen due to their size, strength, and thrilling fight when hooked. They are considered a challenging catch for anglers. Tagging and tracking. Researchers use satellite tagging and other tracking methods to study the movements and behaviors of Mako sharks. This information helps improve our understanding of their ecology and conservation needs. Predator-prey relationships. Makos have few natural predators, but they can fall prey to larger sharks, killer whales, orcas, and possibly other large marine predators. Importance in ecosystems. As apex predators, Mako sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. They help regulate the populations of their prey species and contribute to the overall health of ocean food webs. Mako sharks' remarkable speed, athleticism, and ecological role make them a captivating and important species in the marine realm. Efforts to conserve and protect these sharks are essential for maintaining the health of ocean ecosystems. Largest sea turtle. The leatherback sea turtle is the largest species of sea turtle and is known to reach lengths of up to 6.6 feet, 2 meters, and weigh over 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms. Their size makes them distinct among sea turtles. Leathery shell. Unlike other sea turtles, the leatherback's shell is not hard and bony, but instead has a leathery texture. It is composed of a flexible rubbery material with a mosaic of small, closely interlocking plates. Global distribution. Leatherbacks are found in oceans around the world, from the Arctic to the Antarctic. They are known to undertake long-distance migrations and can travel thousands of miles between nesting and foraging areas. Unique feeding habits. Leatherback sea turtles have a specialized diet primarily consisting of jellyfish. Their jaws are lined with spines that help them grasp and consume slippery jellyfish, which is a major food source for them. Warm-blooded adaptation. Leatherbacks are endothermic, warm-blooded, which allows them to maintain a relatively stable body temperature in cold ocean waters. This adaptation helps them thrive in a range of environments. Deep divers. Leatherbacks are impressive divers and can reach depths of over 3,900 feet, 1,200 meters, in search of prey. They have the ability to endure the pressure of deep-sea environments. Reproductive behavior. Female leatherbacks return to specific nesting beaches to lay their eggs. They typically lay multiple clutches of eggs during a nesting season, with each clutch containing around 80 to 100 eggs. Nesting sites. Leatherback sea turtles are known to nest on beaches in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Nesting sites include areas in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Vulnerable status. Leatherback sea turtles are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. They face threats from habitat loss, accidental capture in fishing gear, and pollution. Egg predation. Leatherback turtle eggs are often targeted by predators such as crabs, birds, and other animals. The low survival rate of hatchlings is one of the challenges these turtles face. Conservation efforts. Conservation organizations and governments are working to protect leatherback sea turtles and their nesting habitats. Efforts include nest protection, reducing fishing bycatch, and raising awareness. Longevity. Leatherback sea turtles can live for several decades, with estimates ranging from 30 to 100 years. Migration patterns. Leatherbacks have some of the longest migrations of any sea turtle species. They have been known to travel across entire ocean basins, moving between feeding and nesting areas. Cultural significance. Leatherback sea turtles hold cultural and ecological significance in many coastal communities. They are often revered as symbols of the ocean's beauty and importance. Ecosystem role. As oceanic travelers, leatherbacks contribute to the balance of marine ecosystems. Their consumption of jellyfish helps regulate jellyfish populations, which in turn can impact the marine food chain. Leatherback sea turtles are awe-inspiring creatures that play a vital role in maintaining the health of ocean ecosystems. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival and the preservation of their unique characteristics. Sleek predators. Barracudas are predatory fish known for their streamlined bodies and sharp teeth. They belong to the Sphyraenidae family and are found in warm and tropical waters around the world. Species diversity. There are about 20 recognized species of barracudas, with the great barracuda, Sphaerina barracuda, being one of the most well-known and widely distributed. Size and appearance. Barracudas are generally elongated and have a silvery or grayish coloration. They can range in size from about 2 feet, 60 centimeters, to over 6 feet, 1.8 meters in length, depending on the species. Speed and agility. Barracudas are agile and fast swimmers, capable of sudden bursts of speed to catch their prey. They are known for their rapid and efficient hunting strategies. Predatory behavior. Barracudas are apex predators in their ecosystems and feed on a variety of smaller fish and squid. They often hunt by ambushing their prey, relying on their quick acceleration to catch them. Habitat. Barracudas inhabit various marine environments including coral reefs, seagrass beds, and open ocean areas. They are often found near underwater structures where they can use stealth to catch unsuspecting prey. Camouflage. Barracudas use counter-shading, where their silver or white belly helps them blend in when seen from below, and their darker upper body helps them blend into the depths when viewed from above. Schooling behavior. Barracudas are sometimes seen in small groups or schools, especially when they are young. These schools offer protection and increase the effectiveness of hunting. Teeth. Barracudas have sharp needle-like teeth that are designed for grasping and impaling their prey. Their teeth are arranged in a way that allows them to strike quickly and effectively. Sensory organs. Barracudas have well-developed sensory organs, including large eyes that aid in spotting prey and potential threats. They also have a specialized structure called the lateral line, which detects changes in water pressure and vibrations. Ciguatera poisoning. Barracuda consumption can be associated with a risk of ciguatera poisoning, a foodborne illness caused by consuming fish that have accumulated toxins from certain dinoflagellates. It's important to exercise caution when consuming barracuda, especially in certain regions. Sport fishing. Barracudas are popular targets for sport fishing due to their size, strength, and challenging fight when hooked. However, catch and release practices are often recommended to protect their populations. Conservation concerns. While barracudas are not currently considered endangered, they can be susceptible to overfishing, habitat destruction, and pollution. Sustainable fishing practices and marine conservation efforts are important for their long-term survival. Ecosystem role. Barracudas play a role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems by regulating prey populations and contributing to the overall health of coral reef and coastal environments. Barracuda's predatory nature and unique adaptations make them intriguing subjects for both marine enthusiasts and scientific research. As with all marine species, responsible and sustainable practices are essential for their continued presence in our oceans. Two species, pilot whales, belong to the genus Globicephala and are divided into two main species, the long-finned pilot whale, Globicephala millas, and the short-finned pilot whale, Globicephala macrorhynchus. Social animals. Pilot whales are highly social marine mammals that are known for their strong bonds and close-knit family groups known as pods. These pods can consist of several individuals and often exhibit complex social behaviors. Size. Pilot whales are relatively large animals, with adult long-finned pilot whales reaching lengths of around 18 feet, 5.5 meters, and short-finned pilot whales growing to lengths of about 20 feet, 6 meters. Distinctive appearance. Pilot whales have a robust body with a bulbous forehead known as a melon. They have a dark black or dark gray color on their dorsal side and lighter gray or white color on their ventral side. Feeding habits. Pilot whales primarily feed on squid and various species of fish. They are known to dive to significant depths in search of prey, using echolocation to locate and capture their food. Deep divers. Pilot whales are exceptional divers and can reach depths of over 2,000 feet, 600 meters, when foraging. They are well adapted to pressure changes and have a high tolerance for the challenges of deep-sea environments. Vocal communication. Pilot whales are known for their complex vocalizations, which include clicks, whistles, and other sounds. These vocalizations are used for communication within their pods. Range. Pilot whales are found in oceans around the world, typically preferring temperate and subpolar waters. They are known to inhabit both offshore and deep-sea environments. Conservation status. While pilot whales are not currently listed as endangered, they face threats from various human activities, such as entanglement in fishing gear, ship strikes, and noise pollution. Mass strandings. Pilot whales are occasionally involved in mass strandings, where large numbers of individuals beach themselves. The reasons for these strandings are not entirely understood, but may be related to social behaviors, navigational errors, or other factors. Maternal care. Female pilot whales have strong bonds with their calves and provide care and protection for them within the pod. Calves are typically born after a gestation period of about 15 to 16 months. Hunting history. Historically, pilot whales were targeted by whalers for their oil, meat, and other products. Today, some communities still hunt pilot whales for subsistence purposes, but conservation efforts aim to manage and regulate these practices. Cultural significance. Pilot whales hold cultural significance in some regions and have been revered in the folklore and traditions of certain indigenous communities. Research and conservation. Scientific research is ongoing to better understand the behavior, ecology, and conservation needs of pilot whales. Efforts are also being made to mitigate threats and protect their populations. Ecosystem role. Pilot whales play a role in marine ecosystems by influencing prey populations and contributing to the overall health and balance of the ocean food web. Pilot whales' social behavior, vocalizations, and adaptations to deep-sea environments make them intriguing subjects for scientific study and conservation efforts.